What are the best online teaching platforms? Well, the number one online teaching platform for average people like you and me is Udemy.com. Udemy has over 20 million students worldwide, and therefore they are the biggest at this point. And they do a lot of marketing for you as well. So if I were to start brand new right now, publishing courses on online teaching platforms, Udemy would be the first place to start. And then from there, there's very few that are a close second or third. Most of them are way down here, but there's websites like Skill Success, CyberU, Skillshare, Learningly, and a few other ones. And you can publish the same courses that you published on Udemy on all these other websites. So that's a beautiful thing about publishing on the Marketplace website. No one website requires that you have your courses exclusively on their site. You can publish the same course on multiple sites. Now, if you want to self-host your course, there are a couple of really good self-hosted platforms, and one of them is called Teachable.com, and the other one is called Thinkific.com. And both are great. They're great platforms, and they're great if you want to self-host your course, and either you already have your own audience, or you have a way to market those courses. The benefit of self-hosting is you can sell your courses for a lot more money, number one, and number two is you don't have to revenue share any of that money with a marketplace. On a marketplace, you have to revenue share, usually 50%, sometimes 30%, etc. But when you self-host, you keep 100% of the money, and you're charging a lot more for your courses. So I have a bias. My bias is towards the self-hosting because I have 8 courses in my catalog that are self-hosted, and those 8 courses out-earn my 52 courses on Udemy and these other platforms. It's a whole nother world in the self-hosting platform, and you can make a lot more money that way and benefit people a lot better as well.